Welcome to K-Smooth Garage, where everyone isn't a mechanic.
So what's up, guys? Welcome to K-Smooth Garage. A lot have been going on behind the scenes. So let's do a quick run through. We put in together the front lowering kit and just a little upgrade. That's the that A-arm right there. I've got a new one because that one is worn out. But like I say, stuff going on behind the scenes. I have not done a lot of video on this stuff, the installs and all this kind of stuff. I just ain't got time for that. That's the new A-arm. I am actually waiting on my new leaf spring to get in. As you can see, as soon as I took the bolt out, that thing is broke. There it is right there. So, like I say, I've been doing a lot of work behind the scenes. A lot of work. And I'm just taking my time. Still waiting on some parts. And make it do what it do. Make it do what it do. Got new shocks, front and back. That's the drop kit for the rear. So got some things going on here. Got the new brake pads. Got my new tie rods stuff. So just trying to rebuild this front end on it. That's about it. Really don't have too much to say about the truck right now. I mean, as far as I'm just doing some small upgrades to the suspension. And tell you guys what, I am learning a lot because I figured it out. When you guys post this stuff on y'all's videos on YouTube, y'all make this stuff look easy and you don't video everything. You don't video all this problematic crap that I'm going through. You're not posting that. So I get it. I totally get it. That's one of the reasons why I'm not even trying to video a how-to video, the installs. I'm not trying to do all that. I'll leave that to you guys. That may sound kind of crappy or selfish, but I ain't got time to be cussing and all this kind of crap on video and you all talking about me like a dog. I should have did it this way, you should have did it that way. I'm finding out all that stuff as I go. So that being said, I forgot to put my disclaimer on there. I'm not a mechanic. Anybody in this garage comes to this garage, there ain't no mechanic. We are simply people that watch YouTube, and if we're doing something and we don't know how to do it, we look at you all. That's what we do. So, that being said, I will show the other progress. That's what I'm looking for. I'll show progress as I go. Like I said, I'm still waiting on parts, and it's just frustrating in itself because it's the parts that I'm needing. It's very important that I get these damn parts right now. Anyway, enough of me rambling on. This is C10 Garage, and yes, the truck runs. The truck does run. Hold on, I'll prove it to you. All right, the truck is running. Told you she runs. She runs. That's a 350, and it's one of those things where everybody's doing the LS swap. Everybody's doing this. Everybody's doing that. I'm sticking with my 350 right now. Yeah, she runs. She sounds good. Turn her off. Yep. I can't wait to get her out. And drive her around. And that right there is this is the cab that I'm building. And I say I'm building, but I'm restoring. Got to get a brand new harness for it. I got the windows, as you can see. The windows are in it. But the cab is great. I am going to replace, I really don't have to, but I am going to replace the driver's side floor. Make me feel better. So, but it's the dash. Typical. But yep. Got some things to do. Here's the bed to the truck. Bed. Guys, when I say I'm excited about this truck, I really am. I'm really excited. Can't wait to get this stuff done. Can't wait to start driving it. Just can't wait, man. Trust me, I mean, as you can see, I love my bikes. I love everything about my bikes. But I wanna start driving my truck. It's time. I gotta get this thing going. And gotta get her going. That maroon Silverado, y'all. That thing is for sale. $6,000. Nothing's wrong with it. Runs great. Shit, everything's for sale. I mean, everything got a price. Yeah, I'll sell that Denali if you want to buy it. Everything's got a price. Everything's got a price. But yeah, that Silverado, it's for sale. $6,000. Ain't nothing wrong with it. Drives great. Runs great. But gotta get rid of some stuff. And get rid of some stuff and make room for more stuff. I'm not telling you the whole story. I do have to get my 85 Cutlass home. I've got an 85 Cutlass that I need to get home and start working on it as well. All right, guys. Man, I'm gonna get my butt off here, but I just wanted to show you all the progress of my 79 C10 truck. We will be putting it back together when the rest of those parts come back. And you know, I just heard a guy not too long ago on YouTube. He said if you're running these torque thrusts, you are lame. These bad boys are brand new, brand spanking new, but they've been sitting on this rack brand new for 2 years. 2 years. And it's all good. I mean, for what it's worth, if I gotta get brand new tires for dry rodding, then I will. But those wheels are going on this truck. I don't care what you say about how lame or how simple minded, you know, whatever you get is your business. What I get is mine. So we're gonna make it happen. Can't wait. Those right there, those are the regular rallies that came on the truck when I bought it. So and guess what? Those rallies they look good on it. It might stay on it. I don't know. But time will tell. Time will tell. All right, Casebo Garage. I'm out of here, man. Y'all have a good day, and be blessed. All that good stuff. All right, y'all take care of yourself. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.